Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Palutong Bayan Recipe, TBR TV. Ngayon po ay nandito tayo ngayon sa Pasay City, sa Diokno Boulevard, kung saan nandito si Diwata at saka yung vlogger na Canadian. Ayan. Ayan po guys. Alex Chris. Good morning guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Dito po tayo ngayon sa Pasay City, Diokno Boulevard. Dito po si ay gigising lang niya ay gigising lang ni Idol. Tsaka may kausap siyang si Alex Crisel, isang Canadian Canadian vlogger. Ito po sa lokoyan ng kausap ni Diwata ngayon. Medyo maaga pa kasi wala pang medyo tao dito. Good morning. Good morning guys. Dito tayo ngayon sa Pasay City. Mega love shoutout sa inyong lahat dyan, Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao. Dito tayo ngayon sa Pasay City.
Oh yeah. Yes. Okay.
Hi sir.
Hello my friend. How are you?
I'm fine.
Good.
Sponsor by Sir Alex. Straight. You want to have like this?
Yes, please. I'll wait until May gets here, so she'll be my camera woman. But
Okay, where's your
she's coming soon, man.
May Heart?
May Heart. Yes.
May Heart. We are just on the way.
Yes, she's coming soon.
When I'm coming Heart?
This text I was just talking. Pardon me?
Heart. No. May Heart.
May Heart. Okay. Yeah. May Heart.
Ayaw ka mo.
Si May Heart. Ano niya, YouTube channel, Alex
Crisel.
Yeah.
Hello everyone.
Hello everyone.
Thank you, Paul. Salamat, Paul, for having me today. It's a very important charity event.
Yeah.
It's a great thing that Sir Diwata doing over here. I'm happy to be part of this cause. So thank you to have me. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
so much, Alex, for supporting.
Thank you for coming here.
From Canada and come into the Philippines and visit Diwata Paris and help people, Filipino people. So I agree. Thank you so much. Very kindness.
My friend, can you shout out my channel?
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Vloggers, ganito ang mangyayari. Isang ganito, planning, kutsara, tapos sabaw, pag-plastic natin, 1 by 1. Marami ka bang plastic? 150. This one, para mamaya, bibigay nila. This one. This one, tapos sabaw.
Ayan.
My YouTube channel is Joe.
Have a sticker or something? Card? Promo card?
Message YouTube channel.
Okay, send me a message on Facebook and then I can message you back.
That is your Facebook account?
Yes, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube.
Okay.
Everything
Same.
Yeah. If you want to follow Alex social media account, just type Alex Rizal.
Rizal, yes.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Ayan po si Alex Sano.
Ayos man ang lagay ni Mudong. Kuha ka lamig sa diha, na usang lamig sa sikip ng daanan mo. Oh!